Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an hyperlapse video in drone, especially in DJI drone using artificial intelligence technology. If you are not a subscriber to this channel, please subscribe and hit bell for future notifications. So without wasting any more time, let us go and see how this hyperlapse works in DJI Mavic Pro 2. So let us go and check it out. Come on. So the flight is taking off and I am near a beautiful lake called as Echo Lake Park. So on your Go4 app, on the left hand side you can find all these detail of the intelligence mode, that is hyperlapse and all those things. Under hyperlapse there are 4 different modes: free, circle, course lock and waypoint. In this video I am going to do the course lock hyperlapse, set the interval, time, frames per second and the duration. Right now I'm making a duration of 20 minutes, and in that 20 minutes it will be clicking 500 frames. I have set 2 seconds as a time interval between each frames, so there are like 500 frames to be clicked in this hyperlapse video. So let us see like how it goes on. I have made a change in the miles per hour. Earlier it was 1 miles per hour. Now I have changed it into 2.2 miles per hour. Means that it will be moving little faster. So as seen in the video, the drone is moving towards the lock direction in a straight line. In the meantime, the camera is clicking the pictures. Okay, so one main thing we have to note in this while creating the hyperlapse is the drone has to be in portrait mode and not in tripod or not in sports mode. So once this hyperlapse is completed, the original video it will be saved in your internal memory as well as in the external memory. Okay, so after that you can download. So guys, one important fact is that after clicking this 20 minutes of picture, you'll be getting a video of say around 15 seconds to 20 seconds. Okay, the clipping will be very short, but you have to wait for almost like 20 minutes. In case if you need to stop the drone in the middle of the flight, you can cancel by pressing the cancel button, which is found on left hand side of the Go4 app. And once you press that, you need to click on the normal mode. After that you can just press the land button. So once you press that, it will come to the place where it was launched. Before that you need to make sure that your GPS is updated and the location is marked. If the location is not marked, your drone won't come back. Then you need to guide your drone back to the location where it started. So finally, once the time duration is completed, your hyperlapse video will be saved. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. See you all. Bye bye.